Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Figma plugins for branding assets step by step clearly. Visit the Figma website and log into your account. If you don't have an account, create a new one by signing up. Once logged in, navigate to the Figma dashboard. Look for the Plugins option in the menu. Click on Browse Plugins to explore the available options. In the search bar, type Branding Assets to find relevant plugins. Review the list of plugins that appear in the search results. Select a plugin that meets your branding needs. Click on the plugin to view its details and user reviews. Read the description to understand its features and benefits. If the plugin suits your requirements, click on the Install button. Wait for the installation process to complete. Once installed, go back to your Figma workspace. Open a project where you want to use the branding assets. Access the installed plugin by going to the Plugins menu. Select the plugin you just installed from the drop-down list. Follow any on-screen prompts to initiate the plugin. Customize the branding assets as needed within the plugin interface. Once you're satisfied with your selections, insert them into your project. Adjust the assets in Figma to fit your design requirements. Make sure to save your project regularly to avoid any loss of work. If needed, return to the plugin for further adjustments or additional assets. Explore other plugins periodically for new features and updates. Keep track of your branding elements for consistency across your designs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.